how to turn on or off apps notifications on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to manage app notifications in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now, tap Notifications. On some Android devices, you may need to tap Notifications in Status Bar or Apps and Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of apps that can send notifications. Simply find the app you want to manage and tap the toggle next to it. Turn the toggle on if you want to receive notifications from that app, or turn it off if you want to stop all notifications from it. Oh, and if your phone supports it, you can also tap on the app name to customize specific notification categories instead of turning them all off. Your changes will be applied immediately, and you can always come back and change them whenever you like. That's it. You've successfully turned app notifications on or off on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.